How to fix Discord full screen. Today guys, I will share with you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then go directly to apps. Here on apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone, but you will search you just for Discord. Then go to storage and go to the last button, clear data. Click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like in and subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.